All right, what's up guys? I wanted to do a quick review on how to change your battery to the Honda Odyssey remote. So it's a little bit tricky if you've never done it before. And recently my Odyssey started showing up a warning sign on the dashboard showing I need to change my battery. So here we are. All right, so first thing you want to do is on the back of the remote, there's a little switch. So pull that out and pull this key out of the main controller. And just in case you didn't know, if your battery ever dies, you can use this to unlock your door. All right, so the next step is you're gonna need your battery. So the battery number is CR2032. I'm gonna put the link in the description, and you're gonna need some sort of screwdriver. So basically what you're gonna wanna do, put it in the center now. As you can see, it's snapped off right there. That's exactly what we wanted to do. And there we go. That's the battery. So let's take that battery out. Just remember, plus is facing out. So let's pry that battery out. There we go. Put the new battery in, just like that. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3. Then you just put it back together, clips right in. And there we go. And the final step is to put your key back in here. Slide it in, make sure everything's nice and tight. And there you have it. Just a quick video on how to swap out the battery on the 2018 Plus Honda Odyssey remote control opener. I posted the link in the description below if you need to get batteries. So yeah, thanks for watching, for tuning in. I hope this video was helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe. Until next time, peace.